How to log in into your Accenture Workday account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Accenture Workday account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up a web browser. After you've opened up a web browser, simply search for Accenture Workday login. After you do that, head over to the first link that pops up. And after you open up the link, this is what the page should look like. Now simply tap on sign in on the top right corner. After you tap on sign in, you'll get an option to enter your email address and password and then simply sign in. Using this method, you will easily sign in into your Accenture Workday account. Now, if you do not have an account, there is also an option to create your account. Also, if you have forgotten your password, there is an option to recover that as well. And yeah, that is how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.